Okay, so in this video, we'll take a look at the date and time formatting in Odoo. This is actually one of the most common questions that I get. Um, like if you this is rather new in Odoo 19. Like if you look at the creation date, you will see that it doesn't have a year, right? And what you can do is, the quick fix to that is to go to Odoo Studio, select the column, and for the date format, just select this one, right? And it will show up like this, right? Um, and then that's fine. I mean, if that's okay with you, then that's the quick fix for that. But you also have to do that for all the modules in the system. Like if you go to purchase, and let's go to purchase orders, and you'll see again, for the confirmation date, it doesn't have the year. So what you're going to do is you're again going to go to Studio and then edit it. So what we've done is we've created a module for this, and you can just go ahead and install it. So I'm going to go ahead and activate it. And when we go to purchase, you'll see now that it has the dates. If you go to accounting and customer invoices, it now has dates. Same with vendor bills. So it now has the years. So if you want to download the app, the link to the app is on the description of this video.